So dental dams are not straightforward to get hold of these days, so instead what you can do is request condoms from us, and for those who need to use them as dental dams, wouldn't do this normally, cut the edge off. If you actually unroll it correct way round, and improvise slightly, cut the end off, and then cut it up the side, preferably before you actually need to use this, obviously. You can then use it as a dam. Okay, so when you can't get hold of a dental dam, please just ask us for the condoms, we'll send them to you. Just get a pair of scissors and make your own DIY dental dams.